Welcome. If you've ever wanted to share someone's Instagram profile with a friend, or maybe save it for later, you'll need to know how to copy their profile link. Today, I'll show you the easiest, most up-to-date way to do this, step by step. Whether you're using Instagram for networking, keeping up with friends, or just exploring new accounts, this quick guide will make sharing profiles a breeze. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and that your app is updated to the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in the name or username of the account you want to share. When their profile pops up, tap on it to open their page. Now, look to the top right corner of their profile. You'll see 3 small dots. These are your options for more actions. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. This will open a menu with several choices. From the menu, find and tap on the option that says Copy Profile URL. Instantly, the link to that Instagram profile is copied to your device's clipboard. You won't see a pop-up, but trust that it's there, ready to be pasted wherever you need. To share the link, just open your favorite messaging app, email, or even a notes app, and paste the link. Your friends can now tap the link and go straight to the Instagram profile you shared. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can copy and share any public Instagram profile link. It's quick, simple, and works on both iPhone and Android devices. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.